So in this video, I'm going to talk all about one-point perspective for anyone who doesn't know anything about perspective. And I'm going to guide you toward drawing scene from one-point perspective. And I'll guide you all along the video. Let's dive in. Hello guys, in today's video we're going to learn about how to draw one-point perspective for beginners. Now, in a one-point perspective, before starting, we have to know kind of basic elements of perspective. Now, among of those elements, as you can see as I'm drawing, it is the horizon line. Now, the horizon line can also be defined as the eye level line, a level where everything is kind of aligned together. Also, there is a point, and the point also called a perspective point. Now, today we are learning one-point perspective, and these points can be more than one, but today we're learning one-point perspective. Stay tuned for other point perspective. Now, as you can see in that point, there is some line leading toward the point. Those lines are called the vanishing lines. Now, the vanishing lines is kind of way that every line running across the object are going to be led toward that point. So now let's assume we have a shape over here. Now, how is it gonna be related with our perspective point? It's gonna be related in this way. Any line running from that side is going to fall under our perspective point. Like this and this. Get the base there. So that's kind of basic of perspective in one point perspective. Now let's assume that a box was not that side again, but it was in this side over here, a little bit closer. And one thing I want you to notice here, the objects that are way downside from the horizon are gonna be closer to the viewer, but the objects that are way upward from the horizon line are gonna be further from the viewer. And that's why this object is more bigger compared to that one when we put it vanishing lines. now we have seen this object here. It's kind of big compared to this object, which is kind of small. And the closest position to the viewer, the position just below the horizon line, and the position above the horizon line is kind of far away from the viewer. Now we've already seen the illusion of depth that 1-point perspective can give to a drawing. Let's see some more viewer examples. So that's a 1-point perspective, and it's kind of basically that leading line leading toward a 1 point of perspective, and it's like every object is vanishing through a single point, meaning that the side aren't parallel in terms of perspective points. Hope you guys enjoyed, and see you in the next one. Now in the next video I'll be showing you how to draw 2-point perspective, and I'm gonna guide you along. Hope you guys good drawing. Hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe for more. Subscribe to get notified when I release the 2-point perspective, and smash the like button and share to anyone who you think might like too. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.